Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new to my channel, then my name is Maxi-Dresses Pinky and I live in Australia. Thanks so much for stopping by, and before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification if you wish to see my future uploads. So in today's video, I am just showing you guys what I got in my February Bella box. I am a bit behind with my February Bella box just because once they sent my February Bella box to my last address, so it got lost. Then they sent me again. This is just a normal box, and let's see what I got in here. Okay, so the first thing is, as always, this card. So the theme of the month was Valentine's Day. That's why this card has all the hearts. And it says loved up. And at the back it has all the price and details of all these products where you can buy it from. So the first product is this Manna Kadar's Pearized Powder. So let's see this powder. Okay, it comes like this. It says 3-in-1 highlighter, blush, shadow. So this is a loose shadow highlighter and blush. That's what it is written here on the box. So it is like this. So let me swatch this, and oh my gosh, look at this. It's so pretty and it's so pigmented. So this is in shade Fantasy and I love it. It's so pretty. And I guess Manna Kadar's products are a bit expensive. Oh god. So this is 3 grams and it is a full size product, and this retails for $19 and it is available at mannakadarcosmetics.com. It is quite a nice eyeshadow, highlighter and blush. You can use 3-in-1. It's nice. I guess I will be using this for my eyeshadows and highlighter, and you can also use this for blush. So this is 3-in-1 compact. So the second product is this Original Source Moisturizing Shower Milk, and this one is 250 ml. Yes, this is also a full size product, 250 ml. And this one is green banana and bamboo milk original source, 100% natural fragrance, and it is also vegan. It smells like one of those lollies. It's so nice. And this product is a full size, 250 ml, and is available at Woolworths, IGA, Coles, and I guess wherever you can get it here, on the supermarkets, chemists. I guess you can get everywhere here in Australia, and it retails for only $4. So the next product is just a sample size oil, and this is by Cocoa Butter Vitamin E, and this is a sample size, and I guess this oil has a lots of good benefits in here. So it says after cleansing, apply 3 to 4 drops to face and neck and avoid the eye area. Massage into skin in a circular motion. I will give this to my husband to try if he likes it, and I guess it's quite nice and it's quite moisturizing, but I don't see much difference in this. And this product is this product contains lots of stuffs, like it has 9 pure essential oils, anti-aging blend of essential plant oils, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, apricot oil. I don't use oil on my face. Guys can see I got one of this stuff here. It has been here since a while and I got some breakouts here. So this oil I will give it to my husband to try, and this oil retails for $19.99, 30 ml, and it's available at Priceline and Chemist Warehouse. The next product is this Clients Extra Firming. So this is an extra firming day cream and strengthen the foundation of the skin with this exceptional daytime moisturizer. So this is a moisturizer. So this is just a moisturizer, and this is like 30 ml, and it has that nice smell, and it smells really nice when you rub it on your skin. It's very moisturizing, and this is a sample size. It is 30 ml, and full size of this product retails for $120 and for only 50 ml, so little bit 20 ml bigger than this one, retails for $120, and it's available at Priceline, David Jones, and clients.com.au. It is a day cream, so the ideal day care for youthful looking skin for women in their 40s. So I'm not in 40s yet, so it's good for ladies who are in 40s, but I will be in 40 soon, in few years times. So it's good to try all this product in early age. Doesn't matter what's your age, nothing will harm you in trying all these products. So this is quite a nice product, and I will be using this product, and I will let you guys know in the description box below if I like it or not, if this product works or not. And if you guys want to see a review on this product, then let me know in the comment section below. I will be doing a review on this because I want to do a review on this and see if this product is good or not, if it's worth the money or not. So the last product is this cellulose mask, biocellulose mask. This mask, and this is a sheet mask, I guess. Yeah, it is a sheet mask. Direction to apply: cleanse face, unfold mask and remove net from one side, place mask on face and remove second net from mask, adjust mask and fit pressing the yes, and leave it for 15 to 30 minutes and remove mask. So this mask has purified water, glycerin, and lots of other good stuff in here, and I love sheet mask, and I love to try this. And this product retails for $12.50 and available at Rewiew.com. And So this is quite an awesome product. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and these were all the products I got in last month's Bella box. And Bella box is a monthly subscription box where you get 4 to 5 and sometimes 6 full size to sample size products monthly, just only for $17.95, and it's delivered directly to your doors, and it's just $17.95, and you get to try so many of products like from brands you never have heard of. So that's why I chose Bella box, that because I want to try new products, and if I like it then I will go and buy that product, enter my giveaway, which is still open international, and there are some pretty awesome prizes in there. Don't you wanna get it? Just go and enter. It's still open. And join me on all social media sites. I will catch you guys all later in my next video. Bye.